me strong. Through the darkest nights I've carried on, but I know the day will come when I stand alone. No more easy laughter, no voices on the phone. Still I'm grateful for it all, the life, the pain, the rise, the fall. When the time comes, I'll close my eyes, hoping to meet you beyond the skies. We'll talk again, we'll make it right, under the stars in the endless night. Sometimes we feel the sadness, though nothing's wrong. Faith feels so distant, our strength isn't strong. Is it doubt or just the fear within? Yet I pray for courage as the days begin. Still I'm thankful for the prayers you've spoken, every word a chain that remains unbroken. When the time comes,